Yes, hello guys. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon, dito po tayo ngayon sa Boracay. Okay. So, magsa-start na po kami for our activity for today. And these are the ladies. Okay. Say hi guys. Hello, hello, hello. Yes. So, that's it. Sila po lahat yun, no? So, dito po yung aming bow. Yan. Ayun. Okay. Sige, so, maki-record din ako please.